Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to do question number 5. So this is a question based on vectors. So let us start. Two vectors A and B are given. They are asking B minus A. So B minus A is nothing but 2 minus 5 minus 3, 8. And so it is nothing but 2 minus of minus 3 and minus 5 minus 8. So 2 minus minus 3 is nothing but 2 plus 3, whereas minus 5 minus 13 is minus 13. Sorry, minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13. So 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 is 5 and minus 13. This is the final answer. Now, second case, 2A plus B. So 2 into what is A, which is minus 3, 8, plus B is 2 minus 5. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 2 into 8 is 16, plus 2 into minus 5. And this is straightforward addition. So minus 6 plus 2 and 16 minus 5. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. 16 minus 5 is 11. Minus 4, 11. And then part C. Modulus of B. So we know that modulus of a vector A, B, its modulus is nothing but square root of A square plus B square. So therefore modulus of B is the modulus of the vector 2 minus 5, which is nothing but square root of 2 square plus minus 5 whole square, which is nothing but 4 plus 25, which is square root of 29. And if I calculate the square root of 29 using a calculator, the answer would be 5.385. So if I write it directly, 16016,480 and so on. So if I cut it to 3 decimal places, it will be 5.385. That is the final answer that is required. Okay. So the modulus is very simple to do. Anytime you are given coordinates, just simply square each of them and then add them, because you get a right angle triangle in every case of a vector. Now, second case, part B. A plus KB is equal to 13m, where k and m are integers. Find the value of k and find the value of m. So A bar is nothing but, so again let us check once. A bar is 3 minus 3, 8, 2 minus 5. So A bar is equal to minus 3, 8, B bar is equal to 2 minus 5. So A plus K into B is minus 3, 8 plus K into 2 minus 5. This is nothing but minus 3, 8 plus 2K minus 5K. And if I add them, this is 2K minus 3 and it is 8 minus 5K. So given A plus KB is equal to 13m, and so 2K minus 3, 8 minus 5K is equal to 13 and m. And from here I can say 2K minus 3 is equal to 13 and 8 minus 5K is equal to m, because equal vectors means both the coordinates should be equal to each other. And so 2K minus 3 is equal to 13. So therefore 2K will be equal to 13 plus 3, 16. K will be equal to 8. So the value of K is 8. Now let us substitute this value here. That implies 8 minus 5 into 8 is equal to m. So m is equal to 8 minus 40, which is minus 32. So the value of m is minus 32. This completes the question. Easy question. You just need to substitute A plus KB and then equate the coordinates, x coordinate with the other x coordinate and the y coordinate with the other y coordinate. That's it. Okay, so let us start doing the B part. Now, OABC is a parallelogram and O is the origin. Okay, O is the origin. M is the midpoint of OB. Okay, ON is the point on AB such that AN is to NB is equal to 3 is to 2. Okay, OA bar is equal to P and OC bar is equal to Q. Find in terms of P and Q in its simplest form. Okay, now what is the most important point here? OABC is a parallelogram, and so if OABC is a parallelogram, then OA bar would be equal to CB bar and OC bar would be equal to AB bar, and both of these would be equal to Q bar and both of these would be equal to P bar. Okay, now again let us start doing the question. So OB bar, from the picture we can see, like I know that the picture is not available, but still OB bar is equal to OA bar plus AB bar, and we know OA bar is equal to P bar and AB bar is equal to Q bar. So OB bar is nothing but P bar plus Q bar. Okay, so now it is given M is the midpoint of OB. So they are asking for CM. So midpoint of OB. So therefore OM bar is equal to half into P bar plus Q bar. Now I know OM bar. Why am I talking about OM bar? So let us see. They want CM bar. So what I will start is, I will start at C, I will go in this path and I will go in this path until M. So I can use OM. Okay. So now what I can write is CM bar is equal to CO bar plus OM bar, and CM bar is nothing but minus Q bar. I am going against Q, plus half into P bar plus Q bar. So CM bar is nothing but half into P, half into Q minus Q. So minus half into Q. That is the final answer. Now, third point, they are asking us about MN. MN. So I need to go from M to N. So N is a point on AB such that AN is to NB is equal to 3:2. So it is given that, first of all, let us find AN. AN is to NB is equal to 3:2. Therefore, AN bar would be equal to 3 by 3 plus 2 into AB bar. So that is nothing but, we have already seen that AB bar is equal to Q bar, and so AN bar would be equal to 3 by 5 Q bar. Now I know AN bar. I need to write MN bar in terms of all the things that I already know. Okay, so MN bar. So I can write it through MO, OA and AN. This is the path that I will take in this case. So now I will write MN bar is equal to MO plus OA plus AN bar, and MO is nothing but negative half of P plus Q, because OM is half of P plus Q, and OA bar is the negative of P. So OA bar is P, this is plus P, and AN bar is 3 by 5 into Q bar. So this is P bar minus half P bar, which is equal to half P bar. This is equal to half P bar, and minus half Q bar plus 3 by 5 Q bar. So if I write it as 6 by 10, this would be 5 by 10, and so this would be plus 1 by 10 Q bar. So this is 6 by 10 Q bar minus 5 by 10 Q bar, which is 1 by 10 Q bar. So 1 by 2 P bar plus 1 by 10 Q bar. That completes the question. So the second part, CB and ON are extended to meet at D. Find the position vector terms of P and Q. Give your answer in the simplest form. So let us see what. CB and ON. CB and ON. That means CB and ON are extended, and find the position vector of D in terms of P and Q. So the point where they meet, this is D. So how will I calculate its position vector? Okay, so first of all, let us write CD is equal to K into CB bar, and so this is equal to K into P bar. This is equation number 1. Now again, what can I write? OD bar is equal to some other value M into ON bar, and ON bar is nothing but OA bar plus AN bar. So we have seen it already before. MO, this is nothing but ON, and so let us write its values. So M into P bar plus 3 by 5M into Q bar. Now I will write again this OD bar in terms of CD bar. Okay, so one more term for OD bar is again equal to OC bar plus CD bar. So OC bar is nothing but Q bar, and OD bar is nothing but KP bar. So this is equation number 1. This is not. This is equation number 2. So 1 and 2 are both showing the same OD bar, and so what can I write? M into P bar plus 3 by 5 into M into Q bar is equal to Q bar plus KP bar. So from here, what can I take? I can take equating Q bar. I can take 1 is equal to 3 by 5M. So M is equal to 5 by 3. And again, equating Q bar or P bar, I will get, this is P bar here, this is P bar here. M is equal to K. So this is equal to 5 by 3. So what I can write is, therefore OD bar is equal to, I will use this form because that is easy. And so K into P bar, which is 5 by 3 into P bar plus Q bar. So this is the required answer. So this is a tough part, but still what they are trying to say is they are asking us the position vector of D. So what I did was I extended this ON until D. So I can write as ON bar into K or into M is equal to OD bar. So I have OD bar now. I can directly calculate this OD bar. I can also calculate OD bar in another way. I can calculate OD bar like this. Now CB and CD are collinear. So CD bar would be equal to K into CB bar. And so again I am writing OD bar is equal to OC bar plus CD bar. And now I am equating both of them. If I equate both of them and their P components and Q components, then I'll get the answer. Very important question. Very good question. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best.